I'm pretty impressed with this fan so far. It comes in 4 colors, as you can see maybe on the box. I've put a picture in the description or in my review of the back of the box that shows you all the features. But it rotates 90 degrees. It doesn't go beyond that. It's made of a hard plastic material. Seems like good thick plastic. This is a light that has several levels. The fan itself has several levels, a sleep timer. There's the remote that controls all of that. It has the ability to rotate automatically when you want to spread some air around the room. This whole unit doubles as a power brick. You can charge devices from it using the USB port. It took about, over 12 hours. I think it had a 50% charge when I opened it, and it took at least 12 hours to fully charge off of a power strip with a USB adapter. So maybe it would be faster with a cell phone quick charge unit. Definitely would take forever if you charged it off of a computer. What else about this device? Yeah, just worked as advertised. Let's see. It's very quiet. I guess I could say that about it. Here's the 4 different speeds, and I'll stop talking so you can hear them or not. So you can hear none of those are very loud. Very suitable for during the day or sleep. Rotates 90, as I said. And one other thing, once I'm done showing how it rotates, I need to turn it off for this. There is a hook on the bottom as listed in the product listing, and the idea on this is it'll just hang up off of something, and then the fan, like you could hang it inside of a tent trailer or a tent or something, or any pole really. Also this rotates, so if it was hanging you could point it down at yourself. $50 on Amazon. I mean, the power brick alone, I've seen some for that price, so for a working camping fan like this, seems like a good value.